Are you trying to set up a verified PayPal account in Ghana, Nigeria, or another restricted country? Don't worry. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have an internet connection. Open your browser and type www.paypal.com/AE in the address bar. Press the Enter key or click on the search icon to go to the website. Once you're on the PayPal page, look for the option that says Sign up for free and click on it. You will see two account types, personal account and business account. Select Business Account TAR and then click Continue. Now you need to fill in some information. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Make sure to use your legal name and choose an email address that you haven't used to create a PayPal account. When creating your password, it should be between 8 to 20 characters long. Use both uppercase and lowercase letters and include at least one number or symbol. After you've entered all your information, check the small box to agree to the terms. Click on Agree to create account. Next, you need to confirm your email address. PayPal will send you a verification code, so check your email inbox for that code. Copy the code and paste it back into the PayPal code. Then click on Submit. Now your PayPal account is created, but you still need to activate it. Click on Let's Go to proceed. On the next screen, select Individual Seller/Sole Proprietor. Click on the business tab and choose Individual, then click Next. You will see a prompt asking if your legal name is correct. Make sure it matches the name on your government-issued ID. If it doesn't, make any necessary changes before continuing. Next, enter your date of birth and change the nationality from United Arab Emirates to your country. For the phone number, change the code to your country code and enter your legal phone number. If you don't have a P.O. box, just enter your house number. For the additional information and city sections, you can leave them as they are, but change the Emirate to Abu Dhabi. In the section for the business name, select the first small box to use your full name. For the business registration number, just enter your phone number and leave the currency as US dollar. When asked about the product or service, you can select durable goods or any other service you prefer. If you don't have a business website, choose No Now. Click on the box to use your residential address.